Hi guys, today I'm gonna be eating raw coconut oil. Open the thing.
Hold on.
Oh god. Oh my gosh. Tastes so bad.
Thought it tasted
Please,
good.
no. Whole spoon. Why is it so solid?
No. You only take as much as you need.
All I
You
need
just
this.
need a little. No.
I need this much.
Okay, so you eat it?
Yes. Full spoon.
Don't let him fool you. He loves the taste of it. Loves it. Super yum.
It's gnarly. It's nasty. Oh. Oh. That was the worst. Literally the worst, guys. That was worse than the worst medicine ever video. Actually, the worst medicine ever video is probably worse. But, like, it has no taste. Like, the worst texture ever. Yeah, you could try it for yourself, but it's nasty. Okay. Bye, guys, and I hope you see you soon.